10.1 Rugged IP66 tablet with Android or Linux OS. Supports for GLTE for high-speed connectivity. MP6765 Octa-Core 2.3000 兆赫兹 processor. Iris recognition for advanced security. NFC and RFID for contactless communication. Fingerprint and Face ID for secure access. TD barcode scanner for efficient data capture. Active pen with electromagnetic screen for precision. IP66, waterproof, dustproof, crashproof. Dual SIM and Pogo-Pin for versatility. Custom hardware and software, OTA updates. Long-term support and turnkey solution. Contact us 3w.iqul.com.cn